Welcome! In front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First, we need to open the settings. So let's swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then tap on the settings icon. Oh, my bad. On the settings icon, not support. Okay, once you are in settings, tap on the network and internet. Here, select the hotspot and tethering option. Then tap on portable hotspot. And right here we can set up the hotspot and enable it. First, let's set up the hotspot before we turn it on. So we can tap on hotspot name and change the name of our network. Then we can tap on OK. Next we have security. Here we can select the security type. If you tap on it, you will see the menu and you have options like WPA3 personal, WPA2/WPA3 personal, WPA2 personal, and none. I recommend to select the WPA2/WPA3 personal, but you can select any of the options. If you select none, you won't have the password protection on your network, so everybody will be able to connect to it. So that's not a recommended option, but if you like it, you can select it. Okay. Next we have Hotspot Password, and we can tap on this option to make the password visible. Also, we can change it. Like that. Below we have AP band, and here we can select the AP band for our network, and we have 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. I recommend to select the 5 GHz because it's faster and better basically. Next we have advanced, and here we can tap on turn off hotspot automatically option and select one of three options: after 5 minutes of inactivity, after 10 minutes of inactivity, and never. What this option does is basically if no devices are connected to your hotspot, it will turn off automatically basically after a period of time, and you can select 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or never. So if you select never, it's gonna be disabled. It won't turn off automatically. If you select after 5 minutes, it will turn off after 5 minutes, and if you select after 10 minutes, it will turn off after 10 minutes, of course. And last option is make network discoverable, and you can enable or disable this option. If you disable it, people won't be able to find the network when they are searching for the nearby networks in the Wi-Fi settings. You will need to let them know what's the IP address or the name of the network is to connect to it. If you enable this option, they will be able to find it. Okay, so once we're done customizing our settings for the hotspot, we can enable it by tapping on the switch right here. And now the hotspot is enabled. You will get the notification that the hotspot is available and it's enabled. And to disable it, you can tap on off. Also, I forgot to mention it. If you disable the option make the network discoverable, you can also share the QR code with people for them to basically connect to it. Okay, so let's disable the hotspot. You can also enable and disable the hotspot by using the quick panel. So we can swipe down from the top of the screen twice to open the quick panel. On this panel, swipe left, find the hotspot icon and tap on it to enable the hotspot, and tap on it again to disable it, if you want to disable it. Okay, you can also press and hold on this icon to go to the hotspot and tethering settings. And that's about all. That's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.